Hi kids, welcome to the class. Let's learn how to write the letter E. To write uppercase E or big E, start at the top and make a line down. Go back to the top and make a line across. Then go to the middle and make another line across. Now go to the bottom and make one more line across. Let's try it again. Down, across, across, and across. That's the letter E. Now, why don't you try? Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase e or small e. Start below the middle and make a line across. Next, go up and around to the bottom. Let's try it again. Across, up and around to the bottom. Excellent! Now check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter E. Next, let's see what words start with the letter E. E for elephant. E for egg. E for eye. Say it again with me. Elephant, egg, eye. Good job! For our next video on how to write the letter F, subscribe to EllieFun.